Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel of Fluent Odisha. Today I am inside my offline coaching which is based on spoken English in Titlagad. So I'm so happy today guys to be here because it was a very big dream of mine that I had been chasing for a long time and today I'm here. But yeah, still I'm waiting for you all guys because you are those enthusiastic English learners which I want to see here. Well, you cannot see her chairs and all decorated things because those are still in pending, guys. Yeah, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, you can see each and everything here. So, see, let's not talk rubbish here. So, guys, see, you all have been looking for a coaching, like for an offline coaching, but you are unsuccessful in search of this. So that's why I tried, I did hard work for helping others guys. Now, which fluency you can see, which confidence you can see in me, those all things even you can get by practicing with me guys. So this course is going to be only for 3 months. Later I will extend for more 2 months. Means the entire month is going to be 5 months guys. So in these 5 months, I can promise you guys that I will provide you this skill very elegantly, very effortlessly, and that skill will be so amazing after 5 months. You can see a big change or great change in your speaking in this English skill, guys. Honestly, because I have practiced, guys, I have gone through this phase, so I can understand it, I can feel it, and how I just have to provide sessions, how I have to guide students. That also I know. See, speaking English is not so hard, I would say, because see, if you cram some sentences or if you practice for a couple of months, you can speak. But the thing comes like how to speak confidently. Now you are observing, you are watching me, how I'm using my hands while walking here in front of camera. So how I got this confidence, how I removed that phobia, fear of speaking English. How? Just through practicing and by believing in myself. Until and unless we are comfortable, we are confident, we cannot speak in this way. Now, suppose if you ask me, sir or brother, can you speak while walking? Of course, I can. I don't have that fear. I can walk here and speak. If you tell me or if you ask me for public speaking, that also I can do here. Speaking is not hard, but when it comes to speaking in a way, in a rhythm, that time that problem comes, guys. Now, see, if I have to speak, then if I speak, continuously, like while shouting, will you listen to me? Of course not. But if I speak here with modulations, with some intonation, that time I can grab your attention here. For example, a singer is singing. Will you listen to that song if that singer sings continuously in the same rhythm? Of course not. If there is the rhythm in his song or her song, that time you will be lost in that song. So similarly, when it comes to this English speaking, if you show your feelings and speak here, then honestly you can have that enormous confidence and confidently, comfortably, energetically, amazingly, fabulously, effortlessly, incredibly, or there are so many other things as well. In that way, you can speak. So it's not a big deal, guys. So honestly, if you come to my institute, I will make you practice in that way. I will help you speak. I will help you improve. I will help you develop you personally, develop your way of speaking, develop each and everything, guys. I am not only throwing my words, but I will prove it as well. That's why I'm not here to earn money. I'm not here to make money. I'm not here to get that popularity. How I can make money? How I can get that popularity? By giving good output. If my skill, if my teaching will be helpful for you, then I don't have to chase this. These all things will come automatically. We can earn money, guys, but when it comes to gaining knowledge or getting that confidence, that doesn't come with money. That cannot be purchased, that cannot be bought, we cannot get anywhere. That has to be developed. and we can develop here together. That's why I have established this coaching center Fluent Odisha in Titlagarh. If you are near Titlagarh, if you are from our Odisha, no matter which districts you are from, do visit or do join Fluent Odisha offline coaching in Titlagarh and achieve what you are craving for. If you don't achieve all of those things, whatever I have mentioned in this video, then you can blame me, guys, that this Rudra Dharwa is a very bad trainer. He could not keep his promises, but I'm not going to be that. Whatever I have promised here, I will definitely provide you at any cost, by all means, guys. So that's all for today. Let's meet very soon in another video where I will show the environment, and every day we'll be uploading videos in this way. If you ever join here, then you can get to know like how you will be speaking here in front of other students or each and everything. I will, not I will, but we will show people. We will demonstrate that before people. There are many activities. There are many things that we are going to present before people, guys. There are some parks in Titlagarh. There also we will go, we will make videos there. We will speak before people. We can make people astounded by speaking, by showing this energy, or by showing this enthusiasm, and by showing this much confidence. So now I am here waiting for you all, guys. So come and let's practice and achieve that diamond desire that we have been keeping in us for a long time. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to show a bit more about this coaching environment. So till then, keep watching, and if you have any thoughts or if you have any query, then you can leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.